Dear faculty members and my dear students, I am extremely happy to join with you on this mathematical skills for competitive examinations conducted by the Department of Mathematics, Raja Singam Government Arts College, Sivagangai. I am Professor L. Sagai Amalraj, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Mathematics, Raja Singam Government Arts College, Sivagangai. Today, as the first class, I like to discuss something on word building and semantic series. Word building is the process of forming words. We may change the form of a word from a noun to adjective or from a verb to a noun, etc. Beginning of the word will be the same and the end of the word may change. For example, the person who employs me has a fast car may be replaced by my employer has a fast car. Here, the word implies is replaced by the word employer. That is, a verb is replaced by a noun. Now we list down some common word endings which are used in word building. First one, noun. Er or or. Here the usage is given in these words: advisor, teacher, learner. These are all noun forms. Ment, improvement, advancement, etc., which are nouns. IAN, electrician, optician, etc., which are nouns. ISM, realism, optimism, which are nouns. NESS, happiness, blindness. ION, beautification, modification. Ship, leadership, friendship, etc. ENCE or ANCE, performance, occurrence, etc. CY, fluency. Now we come to verbs. IFY, the words terrify, modify, etc. end with IFY, which are all verbs. ISE, modernize, prioritize, etc. These are all verbs. Adjectives. IC, the words must end with IC. Periodic, idiotic, etc. Full, wonderful, awful, etc., which are all adjectives. Able or IBLE, the words like comfortable, terrible, etc., end with these able or IBLE, which are all adjectives. LESS, hopeless, worthless, etc. IVE, attractive, decorative, etc. Now we come to adverb. LY, words like recently, neatly, increasingly, incredibly, end with ly, which are all adverbs. Now we give some examples. One, my friend is, we have to fill the blank. Given word is terror of spiders. What will be the choice for terror here? My friend is terrified of spiders. Terrified is in the verb form. Next one, the college received only one, we have to fill in, given word is apply. The college received only one application, which is a noun. Next one, some people are very, the given word is sense. The correct answer would be some people are very sensitive, which is an adjective. Fourth one, nowadays it becomes dash difficult to get government jobs. the correct choice would be increasingly difficult to get government jobs. It is an adverb. Next one. When law and order fails, violence will spread as a dash occurrence. Given word is day. What will be the correct answer? Violence will spread as a daily occurrence, which is an adjective. Next one. While money cannot exactly buy you, the given word is happy. At least it helps you suffer in comfort. The correct choice would be happiness. While money cannot exactly buy you happiness, at least it helps you suffer in comfort. So the word happy is replaced by happiness, which is a noun. Next one. I heard here the given word is compassion, voice of a woman. The answer would be I heard a compassionate voice of a woman. Adjective. Eighth one. His given word is betray. Caused him more pain than his words. Correct choice would be his betrayal caused him more pain than his words. Betrayal is the noun form of betray. Next one. He spent his nights, the given word is diligent, working on his dissertation. The answer is he spent his nights diligently working on his dissertation. It is an adverb. The last one. The food is named for its given word is delicious. The answer would be the food is named for its deliciousness, which is a noun. Now we come to semantic series or semantic analogy. Semantics is one of the important branches of linguistics. It deals with interpretation, meaning of the words, and sentence structure. It constructs a relation between adjoining words and clarifies the sense of a sentence. Semantic analogy is the identifying relation in which a pair of a particular relation is given. Now we list down some examples here. 1. Needle is to clock equals wheel is to what? That is, there will be a relation between the words needle and clock. I have to find out a new word from the given choice under the same relationship. What will be the correct choice? We know the needle is inside the clock, and when the needle moves, the clock functions. In the same way, the wheel is attached with the vehicle, and when the wheel moves, the vehicle runs. So the correct choice would be option C, vehicle. Next one, good is to bad equals roof is to what? We know good and bad are antonyms to each other. Therefore, the correct choice would be option C, floor, which is an antonym for roof. Question number 3, food is to stomach equals fuel is to what? We know the food is inside the stomach, and when the food is burnt, our body functions. In the same way, when the fuel inside the engine is burnt, the engine or the vehicle functions. So the correct choice would be option A, engine. Number 4, dark is to fear equals honesty is to what? We know when darkness is there, there will be fear. In the same way, when honesty is there will be trust. Therefore, option D, trust is the correct answer. Number 5, museum is related to curator. In the same way, prison is related to. We know the meaning of curator, a person who takes care of a museum. So here the correct choice would be jailer, who takes care of the prison. Option D, jailer. Number 6, cloth is to apparel is equals footwear is to what? We know clothing is one of the items of the apparel products. In the same way, footwear is one of the items of the leather products. Therefore, the correct choice would be option B, leather. 7, skirmish is to war equals disease is to what? You can definitely answer this. Disease is to epidemic is the correct choice. Question number 8. Delicious is related to taste. In the same way, melody is related to option A, voice is the correct choice. Now we come to question number 9. Energy is to joule equals volume is to what? We know joule is the unit for energy. In the same way, liter is the unit for volume. Therefore, the correct choice would be volume is to liter. Option D, liter is the correct choice. Number 10, fan is to wings equals wheel is to what? I'm sure you know the answer. Fan is to wings equals wheel is to option C, spokes. That's the correct choice. Thank you.